Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi
Waalaikumsalam
wabarakatuh.
warahmatullahi warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good morning, everyone. How are you today?
Good morning, Miss. I'm fine. How about you?
Okay, I'm fine. Thanks for asking ya. Okay, so before I start the class, I would like to check your attendance list. The first is Hersha Safira.
Yes, Miss.
Okay, Devia Priyani Putri,
Yes, Miss.
Siti Atika Badriah.
Yes, Miss.
Okay, nice. So everyone is here ya, guys. Okay, so before we start the lesson, I would like you to know our learning objective today. So, by the end of the lesson, you guys can explain the function and the structure of the report text and identify explicit and implicit information. Next is analyze language feature, write a short report text, and present their work confidently. Okay, and next is okay, guys. Next is diagnostic assessment. Actually, I prepared this class for online classes, but unfortunately we can meet offline. So that's why I think you guys uh, can look at my screen saja ya, karena saya takutnya kalian akan repot kalau kalian men-scan barcode ini. Jadi saya akan memperlihatkan saja apa isi dari barcode ini ya guys. Jadi isi dari barcode ini itu adalah wait guys. Nah, sudah kelihatan guys? Jadi isi dari barcode ini itu sebenarnya quizzes. Okay. So, before we going to the material, saya mau kalian menjawab 3 pertanyaan singkat yang ada di quizzes ini. Kalian boleh on mic, lalu menjawab ketiga pertanyaan ini ya guys. Nanti saya bacakan pertanyaannya dan kalian boleh tebak saja. Tidak apa-apa salah, karena ini cuma diagnostic assessment. Saya cuma mau tahu sampai mana kemampuan kalian atau pengetahuan kalian dalam report text. Okay, so the first question is, what is a report text used for? Apa guna dari report text, guys? Di sini ada 2 pilihan. Kira-kira yang mana jawabannya, guys? A atau B? Halo. Ayo guys, tebak saja guys. Menurut kalian,
Ya.
Ah,
Ah,
A? Oke, nice. Kita lihat ya, apakah jawabannya benar atau salah ya. Yeay, kalian sudah benar. Jadi selanjutnya itu, do you familiar with report text? Apa kalian pernah dengar report text sebelumnya guys?
yes, Miss. Udah.
ya.
Oke, pernah ya. Oke, next is... Oke. Oke, next is this. Kalian bisa lihat gambar yang ada di quiz ini, guys.
Bisa.
Bisa.
Gambar apa kira-kira?
Komodo.
Komodo.
Oke. Where did you usually find komodo, guys? Di mana biasanya kalian temukan komodo?
Di Indonesia.
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 Di mana?
Indonesia.
Indonesia. Di Indonesia bagian mana biasa, guys?
Nusa Tenggara.
Iya, biasanya saya biasanya pernah lihat komodo di Labuan Bajo. Oke, karena kita sudah bermain kuis hari ini, kita akan lanjut untuk ke materi. Karena itu tadi cuma ice breaking ya guys, atau diagnostic assessment. Oke, so kita lanjut ke materinya guys. The first is, what is a report text? Apa yang dimaksud dengan report text atau apa definisi dari report text? Oke, so report text is a factual text that provide information about things, animals, or phenomena. This text is usually organized from a general statement about the topic and then moves on to the more specific details. The main goal is to explain characteristic of what is being discussed. Next is purpose and structure of the report text. So the purpose of the report text is to describe the facts and provide scientific information and explain characteristic of the things. And the structure is, okay, so report text have two general structure. The first is general classification. Second is description. Okay, so next is after I explain to you the definition, the purpose, and the characteristic of the report text, let's discuss and answer some question. But before that, take a look at the text first. Do you see the text, guys?
Miss.
Yes.
Okay. I want one of you read the text. Anyone can read the text for us? Hersha? Please read the text for us, Hersha.
Dolphins are intelligent marine mammals that live in ocean and some rivers. They belong to the apa itu Miss?
Cetacean family.
Cetacean family and breathe through a blowhole on top of their heads. Dolphins usually live in groups called pods and communicate using clicks and whistles. They are famous for their playful behavior and strong social bonds. Using echolocation, dolphins can find food and navigate under weather easily. These mammals help keep the ocean ecosystem balanced.
Okay, nice Hersha. Please give applause to Hersha dulu guys. Tepuk tangan buat Hersha. Yeay. Next is the discussion. Jadi di sini ada 3 pertanyaan. Saya mau kalian satu-satu menjawab pertanyaan yang ada di sini ya guys. Karena tadi kalian sudah mendengarkan kan teks yang dibacakan sama teman kalian Hersha Zafira. Jadi kita jawab 3 pertanyaan ini dulu guys. Yang pertanyaan pertama, what is the general classification of the text? Ada yang bisa jawab?
Saya Miss.
Oke, Devi silahkan.
The general classification of the text in dolphin are intelligent marine mammals.
Oke, nice. Pertanyaan kedua, mention 3 details from the description section. Pertanyaan ini, siapa yang bisa jawab?
Me, Miss.
Oke, Hersha, please.
3 details from the description section are dolphins breathe through a blowhole on top of their heads. They live in groups called pods and they communicate using clicks and whistles.
Nice. Oke, pertanyaan ketiga, identify 2 language feature used in the text. Tika bisa jawab?
Bisa, Miss.
Oke, please.
Two language features used are simple present tense and the use of specific noun.
Okay, excellent. You guys have correctly identified the general qualification and pick out the key details from the description section. I also appreciate you mention of the language feature, which is simple present tense and specific nouns. Okay. Next, we will do a writing text. I will divide it you guys into two group and then choose the topic. Oke, the first sayang sekali karena kita di sini cuma 3 orang. Maksud saya siswanya cuma 3 orang, jadi saya bagi kalian menjadi 2 grup. Bagaimana kalau ketua kelas menjadi, maksudnya tidak ada pasangannya, ketua kelas sendiri saja bisa?
Oke, Miss.
Oke. Jadi Atika dan Devi sekelompok ya.
Yes,
Saya akan
Miss.
Oke, yang pertama kalian bisa pilih dulu dari ketiga topik yang saya tampilkan di sini. Sudah pilih, guys?
Sudah.
Ya.
Oke, sebentar saya kirimkan kalian setelah ini saya kirimkan kalian teksnya ya. Kalian tidak usah scan barcode-nya, oke? Saya sudah kirimkan kalian ya, guys. Jadi kalian bisa jawab ini. Saya mau kalian jawabnya itu kayak dari teks itu kalian tentukan yang mana general classification-nya dan yang mana description-nya. Setelah kalian tahu jawaban kalian, I want you guys to present your answer. Seperti kayak misal dalam satu kelompok kalian berdua, Atika baca general classification-nya dan Devi baca description-nya. Bisa?
Bisa.
Okay, I give you 2 minutes to discuss with your friend, okay? Okay, 2 minutes is done. Kalian sudah selesai, guys?
Done, Miss.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes.
the group first ya. Atika dan Devi, please present your answer, guys.
Saya.
Yes, Atika dan Devi. Who first? Siapa yang pertama? Atika ya?
Saya. Ya, saya.
Okay.
Our topic is the Komodo dragon. General classification-nya, Komodo dragon is a large lizard found in Indonesia, specifically on Komodo Island.
Okay.
Description-nya
And
bisa
the
dilanjut.
description?
Description, the are have a strong muscular body and are carnivore and are known for their sharp teeth and long claws. Komodo dragon are carnivores and can live for up to 30 years.
Okay, nice. Next is Harsha. What's your topic, Harsha?
My topic is the mangrove forest. General classification, mangrove forests are coastal ecosystem found in tropical and subtropical regions. Description, they have tall, twist trees with thick, waxy leaves. Mangroves are important for protecting coastal areas from erosion and provide habitat for many species.
Okay, good job everyone. Nice presentation, guys. I really appreciate you. But before we close our class, let's do some reflection ya. I want all of you answer my question about today's lesson. Jadi semuanya akan dapat pertanyaannya guys. Yang pertama itu, what did you learn about report text today? Silahkan Atika.
I learned that a report text gives factual information about animals, places, or natural phenomena. It
Okay.
has two parts, general classification and description, and it uses simple present tense.
Okay, nice answer. So yeah, that's all we learned about report text today. And next is, how did working in a group help you understand the topic? Devi, tolong dijawab.
Working in a group helped me because my friends shared different ideas. We discussed the structure together and they helped me understand the details that I missed.
Okay, and the last question is, what will you improve for the next lesson? Hersha?
Okay, I will try to write more complete sentences and use more scientific vocabulary. I also want to improve my confidence when presenting.
Okay, nice everyone. Thank you Hersha, thank you Tika, and thank you Devi for today class. I think that's all from our class today. See you in the next section. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye everyone.
Waalaikumsalam, Miss.
Salam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye.
Thank you, Miss.
Thank you,
Yeah, you're
Miss.
welcome
Thank
guys. My
you,
pleasure.
Miss.
Yeah.